नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 27th July 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for today's trading session, review my previous day's trade, share my learning in MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Looks like bulls are not giving up. But before we get in detail of that, let's have a look into S&P 500. And what we see on S&P 500 is that S&P 500 is almost having a dream run. And since 29th of June, it is into super trend, and the trend is continuing. And it is running almost parallel to 8 bar moving average. So S&P 500 is definitely looking good. US government 10 bond is still at the bottom, so this is also a very good sign. And surprisingly for us, US dollar index has started showing some sign of weakness. So this is also pretty good, at least for today, for us. So with that in background, we see that the US dollar index weakening will definitely support Bank Nifty, which is now at a very critical support function of on my chart, which is which is closed just below the monthly and weekly pivot and below my black magical line. And yesterday it has taken support on weekly L3. So definitely I'm expecting that Bank Nifty will turn around from here. And similarly, Lalaji is also now at a very critical support function, which is support level, which is at 2074, which is a combination of black and blue line. So from here, I expect Reliance also to get reverse because there is a very strong support. And HDFC Bank has already shown one green bar yesterday, where it has almost turned from weekly L3. So with that in background, let's have a look into Lalaji. So first day of the week on weekly chart, although red bar, but still above 8 bar moving average. So now 8 bar moving average has climbed up to 15,793. So this should act as a very good support and still in uptrend. On daily chart, it is definitely in uptrend above 8 and above 20. Now 15,780 is a very good support, and below 15,780 the next support is at 15,679. And on top side, we are running on very tight zone where 5,900 or 916 is a resistance. After 5,916, 5,944 and 5,977 are the key resistance level. But on daily chart, it is still in the uptrend. On 15-minute chart, it is showing in it has closed below 50, below 20, below 8 and above below 200 bar moving average. So here it is in downward direction. Now let's confirm this view with the help of a market profile. So when we look into market profile, we see that today's market profile is slightly lower than yesterday's market profile. So this is a sign of a bearish nature, but it will all depend where the market will open. And that is the reason why I decided to make this video in the morning, because we get a very clear idea where the market is going to get open. So if you see SGX is at 15,867, which is well above this resistance zone of 15,850. So since it is going to open above pivot, which is at 15,838, this is an indication that table has turned and the dollar index has shown a weakness. So that makes sense. So for today, my strategy is buy on dip at pivot. So pivot is at 15,834, 838, and the second buy on deep is at L3, which is at 15,798. So 15,798, which is closer to yesterday's low, and pivot, which is at 15,837. So the first scenario is that it will open, it will come down, and will take a support in the zone of 15,850 and pivot, and this is the area where one should look toward to buy. If pivot is broken, look for a reversal pattern here, for a target of 15,900, or maybe if 15,916 is broken, then the target of 15,935. And the second buy, the best possible scenario is buy at previous day low, which is at 15,797 or at 15,780. Yeah, 15,798. I'm sorry, which is also closer to previous day low for a target of R1, and which is at 15,880, and R2, which is at 15,934. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what happened tomorrow. Yesterday. So yesterday I entered the market with the thought that market are in bearish control. But surprisingly, yesterday the market opened just above the pivot and then hover around the value zone for almost the whole day. It almost did not do anything. So almost a very choppy market. This two orange line are the value zone. So somewhere on this particular red bar, I shorted one more lot and kept a stop loss above the value zone. And then during this green bar, both my short were covered up. And then for the entire day, I did not do anything. So this is the one shot which I did, and then the cover up. So almost I had almost around 10 point loss yesterday. So what's the learning? Learning is maintain with my job profile and kind of focus which I give there is not feasible for me to make multiple trade. So when I enter, I should enter at the best possible scenario with at least stop loss of 30 to 50 points. Then only there is a very good chance that I can be in the trade. So that's my learning. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind. Official trade is buy on dip at pivot.